Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to install the rest of these upgrades into the left spin sparking launcher that we upgraded last time. If you'll remember, we installed the Kevlar string by replacing the old nylon one. Over here, you can see I've got a right spin launcher that's already got the metal gears and the right spin string guard and Kevlar string fully installed. I've been using this one for a few months now, and I haven't really had any issues with it. I've been launching 100 gram plus combos, and it's been doing really great. So, just like before, our first step is going to be to remove all 6 of the screws on the bottom, as well as the one holding the prongs in. And make sure you've got a little tray to put all of your screws and loose pieces in. Alright, once you've got all of these taken out, you can then remove the top cover. Remember to do it upside down so that the rods don't fall out. Now we're going to take this flat screw out of here. Remember to put your thumb over top the grip tape so that it doesn't rotate as you turn the screw. Alright, now you just want to get one finger under here and a finger under another and just pull slowly, like that. Now we can open up the launcher. The first thing we're going to do is remove this back section, and it's going to unwind after we do, like that. We're going to need to remove this, set that aside, and we'll hold on to that. So here, in order to get this piece out, we'll need to take these screws out again, just like before. So remember, just take it slow with these. You don't want to strip them. All right. Now we've got that taken care of. Take the string out. Push right here and get this out. You can see the metal version versus the original plastic. Just want to put the spring housing in here like this, so that this rectangular cutout aligns with this metal section that's sticking out. And we'll push the spring down, rotate it just a little so that it fits in like this. It should just fit right through like that. There we go. That's one. Now we're going to want to put the string back in here. Now we've got the string back inside. We want to align this so that the plastic here fills in the gap here. Like that. And then everything should align nicely. And we'll screw these back in nice and slow so we don't strip the threads. Alright, once we've got all the screws in, we'll just wind it right back up. Next, just put it in there, and we're going to take this piece and put this one in instead. Take the metal rod out, just put this piece in right where the old one was, and stick that right in there. Take the section in the back that. Stick it in there. And to wind it back up, do what we did in the last video. And do it 4 times. But now that we've got metal gears in here, it might make sense to actually go up to 5, just to add that little bit of extra tension. There we go. Got all that. The metal gears, these came out pretty well, but sometimes they can be a little sticky. And what I mean by that is when they rotate, they don't always want to turn very freely. And so that will mean you'll have to break them in. But these came out pretty well. As you can see, the string guard now moves the metal pin further back, and it keeps the string from going slack and then getting caught in between the gears. When that happens, the string can get worn a lot faster, and that's probably one of the reasons why the sparking launcher string has such a short lifespan, because its metal pin is all the way up here, where on other launchers, a lot of them are further back. So they probably don't have this issue. Now that we've done all the swaps and put it all back together, you can see there's a hole here, but it's not threaded, because these metal parts that are cast with shapeways, they can't do threading. And so you don't have to worry about, threading your metal pieces if you get them. All you have to do is push it in and it'll friction fit. So with that, we'll put the top cover back over it with the flint rods back inside. And we'll put the clutch back in here. And now, the same case as with the launcher prongs, there's no need for screws here. Actually, if you can see, there's these little metal tabs that will hold the launcher prongs in, a lot like the older Beyblade launchers for Burst. So all we have to do is align these little rectangles inside the launcher with these slots, and then just push down. Just like that. You got the launcher prongs on here, and they are secure. If for some reason you ever have to remove these, if you need to get inside the launcher again, all you have to do is take a Beyblade layer that's, left or right spin, put it on, and pull it, and that'll take it off. If you do that a few times, you'll start to see some wear in the launcher. You can probably see it right now. But if you put it back on in the same orientation, then that will prevent it from getting too worn and possibly falling off eventually. So now that we've got the launcher prongs back on, we're going to screw it all back together. Alright, and just like that, you've now successfully installed metal gears and a string guard into our sparking launcher. You can see it works just like it should. It retracts a little slower just because of the added weights of the gears, but you should find that this launcher will live much, much longer than your standard sparking launcher. And with the leftover pieces that you have from this mod, you can put them right back into the little bag that your upgrade parts came in, just for good storage. Here are the pieces from my right spin launcher. So there you have it. Fully upgraded sparking launcher with metal gears, string guard, and Kevlar string. If you guys have any questions, feel free to send me a message or leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.